What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of 5G's Outdoors. So as you can see, we're back for another video. Sorry for no uploads, guys. I'm back. I've been doing some hunting, but really hadn't been that often, and I haven't seen but only a few deer, so I really just forget to video. But right now we're getting ready for muzzleloader season, so I've got all my pellets and all that, got my safety equipment, got a box down there at about 40 yards right now. I'm gonna take one shot at it and then maybe move it back to about 50 to 60, but let's go ahead and get loaded up. All right, so if you don't know how to load a muzzleloader, basically here's your ramrod. Now you've got your pellets. These are Pyrodex 50-gram pellets. So we're just going to be using 2 of them. There's 1. Two. Oh, that's 3. 2. So that's 100 grams. Then I'm gonna take one of my power belt bullets. There's one of the bullets. So we're gonna start it down the barrel. Just start it with your finger if you can, your hand. Then you're gonna take your ramrod and ram it down the barrel. Then you're just gonna hit it like that, and it should stick out about like that much. So that means we're all the way down. Now we're done with this. That'll click into place. Now we're gonna take, I'm gonna go ahead and put my safety glasses on just to get ready. And I've got some noise canceling earphones. They're not headphones, they're just headphones, but they'll work. Then we're gonna take one of our primers. We just got some of these primers right here. Take one out. So this gun actually has a safety feature where you pull it back and turn it up, so now it's on safe, and then we're gonna put the primer in. Then we're gonna be ready to go. If I can get it in there. Alright, so we've got it all set up. I'm gonna go ahead, kneel down. We'll take our first shot. Alright. Alright, so it looks like we hit it dead on. Just a little off, but I mean, I'm firing with open sights. So yeah, perfect 40-yard shot. I mean, that's the lungs of a deer. That's the size of the lungs of a deer right there. So let's go ahead and move it back. I'm gonna go ahead and move it back to about 60, and we'll see. Take one more shot and see what we can do. So. About right here. Let me go get that pipe. Have this piece of pipe just to hold it down. I really didn't kick at all. That's actually my first time shooting a muzzleloader. let's see if we can get a shot. About 60 yards. I'll go ahead and range find it. Alright, so we got her all loaded back up. I'm gonna go ahead and range find it. So we're at 65. I'm fixing to have to walk down and set up the back of the box as it fell over, but that's 65 yards. So let me go set that up and then we'll take the shot. Got it all set up. Let's go ahead and take the shot. I'm gonna have to sit down again. Oh. Okay. Make sure nobody's coming. Squeeze the trigger. Alright. Looked like a good shot to me. Perfect. See, it's ready, guys. That's a 65-yard shot. Aiming dead center of this box, and I hit about 2 inches high. Yeah, about 2 inches high, and maybe half an inch to the left. So that's pretty good. That was the first shot. I was really kind of nervous on that one because I've never shot a muzzleloader, but it's not that big of a deal. And then that was the second one. So I'd say we're ready, and that's with open sights, not even a scope or nothing. So yeah guys, so I was just using this field as my range. But there we go, guys, we're ready for muzzleloader season. Opens this Saturday the 4th. I'm going. Hopefully if it's not raining too hard. We may be in a blind actually though, so it won't matter. But there you go, guys. So we're going to head back to the house, and like I said, sorry for no uploads. I've been hunting and seen deer, we just hadn't got a chance. And most of the time when I see the deer, I just forget to video, or you know, they come up on me too quick. I can't get my phone out. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment, and remember to click that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video.